Okay guys, so welcome to today's training, KCWEB Tech Center. And on today we'll be looking at how to track a phone number with Kali using Kali Linux. Okay, now this very tool is what we shall be using, and this very tool, that is the phone extract. Okay, phone extract is the tool that we shall be using. Okay, so this is what the tool does. This is the source code. This is the what phone extract. It's simple yet powerful OSINT based tool built in Python. Okay, it's built in Python, and what it does is this: the features of this tool, it gets the location, state, region, level of the phone number, detects carrier, operator name, identify phone type, time zone of the number, national or an international format, validity check of the number, prefix and area code analysis, city, state, region, and the placeholder. So that is what this tool does. Okay, you can see this is the region, the examples, and you can see the installation mode. This is the code in which you can use to install these. These are the steps. If you are using the Kali Linux, these are the very steps which you will be using to install this. So without wasting more time, we shall be diving on and using this very step to install this very soon. So open my terminal. The first thing for us to do is what? Just copy this very one. Copy it. Then come to your terminal. Then paste it. Take your enter. So what this is, just enter my password, my Kali password, is to update and upgrade my Kali Linux. Okay. Okay, so this is the updates and the upgrade which have occurred. So just clear our screen, Ctrl L. Then the next thing for us to do, we have already upgraded and update, so we have to install the required package. Just copy it, then come to your terminal, then paste, take your enter. Well, we give it time for it to install the required package. So just give it time, stay installing. Okay, there are services stored on your system which need to restart when setting restart service. Okay. Let's take your okay. Okay guys, so it has been installed successfully. So the next thing for us is to we clone the repository. Okay, so just copy it. This is the GitHub. Then come to your terminal and paste. Then take your enter. Then you allow it to clone. It's cloning it. Okay, so it will be cloned. So the next thing for us, so since that will be cloned, so we'll now navigate into the folder. Just click, there is the CD phone extract, copy it, come to your terminal, just paste it, navigate. So we are inside the folder. So now we'll now create a visual environment. We want to enter to the environment, copy it, then just paste it. It's just as simple as that. So we want to enter into the environment of this folder, so we're already in the environment. So the next thing for us to do, we want to activate the environment. We want to activate the visual environment, which is our source verb being activated. Copy it, then just click paste, then enter. So it has been activated, and then we'll now install the dependency. That is the requirement. The dependency, just copy it, then copy it, then paste it, then we allow it to install the requirements for this to really perform well. So just give it time, guys, while it install itself. It's just as simple as this. You just wait to copy the step. So it has been successfully installed. Okay, now after installed, so the next thing for us to do, we have already run the dependency, so we now run the tool. We want to run the tool now. Just copy it, that is the tool, Python, then paste it, then take your enter. So this is it. Now we are now in the phone extract. So we have an option to select here. We have the single number analysis, bash mode, multiple number from. Then if you want to copy from your folder, then we'll just take our enter. That is one. That is single number analysis. Enter. Then we're not telling us country example. Then you choose country here. This is an example. Okay, so we now enter the number. They say enter number with country code. We start with country code 234. This is the 8102398634. Okay, then take my enter. They save report to text. If you want to save, if you don't want to save, no. Let me say save. Why? Yes. Take your enter. Analysis done. So it's checking. So you can see that it have brought out the analysis, the phone extract, the phone number, identification, international, this is the number, national format, this is the number, okay, valid number, yes, possible number, yes, country, location, this is Nigeria, region, state, Nigeria, country code, dash, region code, NG, time zone, Africa, Lagos. So you can see, carrier aligned, carrier is the MTN, phone type is mobile, SIM category, likely prepaid, mobile, call type, international, mobile number, yes. So you can see the analysis of this phone number which you have detected, number details, number length 10 digits, area code 810, subscriber number, that is number prefix 4 digits, that is it, social media, WhatsApp, it's registered with WhatsApp. So it means that this number is registered with WhatsApp, spam, reputation, dating. So you can see that this phone extract can really do a lot of analysis. Okay, so let's check another phone number. Let's see, enter the choice, which is 1, then enter the phone number, logs. That is 234 8169. I think I used this before. Let me okay 69 is the 863619. Take my enter. I need yes, save report. Okay, let me not save. Okay, let me save this. Let's see. So let's give it time to do its analysis. Okay. So guys, you can see it has finished its analysis just same way. So this phone extract will give you the analysis of any phone number which you are searching for. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay guys, so you can just as well follow this step which I did, and you will also see how to track a phone number using your Kali. So thank you guys for staying tuned. Please, if you find this video interesting, please do well to share it, and please do well to subscribe to our channel, so we'll always be motivated to bring you often updates which will come across. Okay guys, so stay tuned and we'll be dropping next of these to you. Thank you for staying to KCWEB Tech Center. Please do well to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.